Good students, today I am teaching you about name and classify the given triangle. You know that before its I have taught you about the triangles, how types of triangles and classifications of the, and I also told about classification of triangles and their name. Here you know that triangle is classified on the two bases, triangles and sides. Before its I have taught you. Here A, B, C, which types of a triangle? Name of the triangle is triangle ABC. Name of triangle ABC. But we will know about this which types of triangle. Look here, if here all angle is less than 90 degree, then this angle is acute triangle and these angles are not equal to each other. Then these sides are also not equal. Triangle ABC is a scalene triangle. It is a scalene triangle and classifications of its ABC on the basis of triangle. All triangle is less than 90 degree. 60 is less than 90 degree, 75 less than 90 degree, 45 is less than 90 degree. Then triangle ABC is a acute triangle. Acute triangle and it is scalene. ABC is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle on the basis of this acute triangle. Acute triangle because here 75 degree is less than 90 degree. Acute. All are acute triangle. Then this triangle is acute triangle. Acute triangle. Acute triangle. This is acute triangle. But here ABC name is ABC triangle ABC. Name of the triangle ABC. But you can here AB is equal to AC. Two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. Then triangle ABC during the classification ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Here AB is equal to AC on the basis of the sides. AB is equal to AC, then ABC is isosceles triangle, an isosceles triangle. Here TRS, name here triangle TRS. Its name is TRS and classification during the classifications we find all sides are equal. Here TR is equal to RS is equal to TS. Here all sides are equal. The all sides are equal, then given triangle is an equilateral triangle on the basis of sides. On the basis of sides, triangle TRS is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. TRS on the basis triangle TRS is equilateral triangle and its name is TRS. Okay, so these types of problems we can solve here. These triangles name on the basis of their sides. Classification of the sides, AB is equal to AC, then triangle ABC is isosceles triangle on the basis of side, on the basis of sides. Here on the basis of sides, triangle TRS is equilateral triangles. Here (115° PBS). Let PBS here its name and its classification. Here angle P is greater than 90° and less than 118°. So which angle is greater than 90°, that triangle is known as, and 90° greater than 90° and less than 180°. So these types of angles is known as obtuse triangles. Here angle P is greater than 90°, then PSB is a obtuse triangle. Here its name is angle PSB, name of the triangle, and on the angle base triangle PSB is a obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle. So these types of questions you can solve and write the name on the basis of sides, and you can write the name or the classification on the basis of angles and sides. According to both rules, we can write the name of the triangles. So, okay students, so these types of triangles you can solve it. The next here, and A, B, C. This triangle, which types of triangle? Let here you can write its F and this is a T, and you can write here its name of triangle ABC. ABC is the name of the triangle, and its classification and its classification here angle B is equal to 90 degree. If in a triangle any one triangle is 90 degree, then that triangle is known as a right triangle. Here triangle ABC is a right triangle. On the basis of angle, this triangle is a right triangle. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. So these types of problems you can solve in a triangle on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. So okay students, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay students, thank all of you.